Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're talking about how to free a stuck valve on the backwash valve. Take a look here. This is a Pentair push-pull backwash valve. You see it won't go all the way down and it won't pull all the way up. This pin should come up and latch over the top. So what that means is the O-rings inside of the shaft are probably swollen to where it won't let it pass. So show you a quick fix how to get that freed up and loose. If you take the cap off, then you can pull the guts out and start pulling it out, but a lot of times the valve is going to be stuck inside of it. So let me show you the way to do that. Okay, we're going to use two tools. You need some sort of cutter. You can use a pocket knife, but a razor knife works best, and a pair of needle nose pliers. Okay, drain all the water out of your filter tank. You can pull the drain plug, which is located here at the bottom. But once you have all the water out of it, loosen the collars and then back the filter away. Okay, with the razor knife, I've got the valve positioned right in the center. So there's two O-rings, and I've got each one of them centered right in the middle of the piston so that I can see it. With the razor knife, I'm going to cut the O-ring. This is a good example. So I'm going to try to cut it, except I'm cutting the one inside, and then I'm going to use the pliers to pull it out, and it will allow the piston to be free. Now it's a little work to get it cut, but you can see the rubber O-ring in there, and just keep cutting until you get it cut all the way through, and then it'll kind of open up. So once you get it opened up, use your needle nose pliers to grab a hold of the O-ring and hang on to it very tight. Okay, then we're going to grab the handle, and as we pull, we're going to turn the handle, and it will actually feed that O-ring right out of the hole. And once the O-ring's out, that was what was obstructing the piston, then it'll very easily be able to pull all the way out. And then just replace the O-rings and lube them up good. You can see we've got just tons of lube on this. Lube them up real good. Put the new O-rings on it. Here's what they look like. This is a package. You can get it online. And once you get the new O-ring, just pull it out. And you'll slide it just over the piston. Go up to the location where you just cut the bad one out. Make sure you get it good and lubed. And then it's ready to go back together. Just pop it down in there. You see the new O-ring's good and snug. Get it on, and don't forget your cap, and screw it down. Now this works for any push-pull type backwash valve. Now you can see we go all the way down, clicks all the way down, all the way up. That's the way it should work. So they have the white one that has two screws on either end. Pull the screws out and the piston should come out. Jandy makes one that's got a cap like this. They're all very similar, but they work the same way. They have a piston, two O-rings, and if it's stuck, move the filter, cut the O-ring, pull it out, and the piston will come right out.